You ever noticed something strange? The internet tells us we need new outfits constantly. New trends, new collections, new aesthetics, new must-have pieces. Yet some of the most stylish women in the world wear the same things over and over again, and nobody seems to care. In fact, it often makes them look even more stylish. So why do stylish women repeat outfits? And why are the rest of us so afraid to? I think one of the biggest myths in fashion is that stylish women always wear something new. Because when you look at fashion icons, editors, designers, and even many successful women, you start noticing something. They repeat. A lot. The same blazer, the same trousers, the same handbag, the same sunglasses, the same coat, not because they don't have options, because they know what works. Stylish women aren't constantly searching for their style. They've already found it. The power of a uniform. One thing many stylish women have is some version of a personal uniform. Not literally the same outfit every day. A formula. Something like blazer plus trousers, linen shirt plus jeans, dress, sandals, a silhouette they trust, a combination that consistently makes them feel good. And once you find that formula, getting dressed becomes dramatically easier because you're no longer reinventing yourself every morning. You're refining what already works. Why repeating outfits actually looks expensive? This is something people rarely talk about. Repeating outfits creates identity. Think about the most stylish people you know. You can probably describe their style immediately. Why? Because there's consistency. They aren't trying to be a different person every day. They're recognizable. And that's actually one of the things that makes style feel elevated. Luxury is rarely chaotic. Luxury is edited, intentional, refined. A signature style is often just repeated choices made confidently. The internet changed everything. Now let's talk about why so many people feel uncomfortable repeating outfits, because I don't think this fear came from nowhere. Social media changed our relationship with clothing. We're constantly seeing influencers, creators, celebrities appearing in new outfits every single day. And after a while, it starts to feel normal. But here's what people forget. Many influencers are showing clothes because it's part of their job. They're creating content, working with brands, producing campaigns. That doesn't mean that's how normal people need to dress. I think a lot of us have started comparing our real wardrobes to content. And those are two very different things. So if repeating outfits is something stylish women do all the time, why does it feel so difficult for everyone else? I think the answer has less to do with fashion and more to do with psychology. Decision fatigue is making your style worse. Most people think having more clothes makes getting dressed easier, but research on decision-making suggests the opposite can happen. The more choices we have, the more overwhelmed we become. Think about your morning. Before you've even left the house, you're already thinking about work, errands, emails, family, responsibilities. Then you stand in front of a closet with hundreds of options, and suddenly your brain has another decision to make. What should I wear? What matches? What feels comfortable? What looks good? What works for today? It's exhausting, which is why many stylish women remove that decision completely, not by having fewer clothes necessarily, but by having trusted outfits. The goal isn't more options. The goal is better options. This is something I've noticed over and over again. People who constantly need new outfits are often chasing a feeling that this next purchase will finally make them feel stylish, confident, put together. But women who genuinely know their style already know what works. They know their favorite silhouettes, their favorite colors, their favorite outfit formulas. And because of that, they don't need constant validation from new purchases. They trust themselves. Confidence doesn't come from wearing something new. It comes from knowing yourself. The best outfits are often the most repeated. Think about your favorite outfit. The one you always feel good wearing. The one that never lets you down. The one that somehow works every time. Why would you stop wearing it? This is something fashion has convinced us is strange, but when you think about it, it makes no sense. If something fits beautifully, feels comfortable, represents your style, why wouldn't you wear it again? The truth is that stylish women don't retire good outfits. They repeat them. And then they refine them. How they make the same outfit feel different. Now this is where people get confused. Repeating outfits does not mean wearing them exactly the same way every time, because a few small changes can completely transform a look. The same blazer can feel different with sneakers, loafers, sandals. The same dress can feel different with a belt, gold jewelry, a woven bag. The same jeans can feel different with a linen shirt, a knit top, a blazer. Stylish women don't necessarily own more outfits. They simply create more versions of the same outfit. Style isn't about constantly creating something new. It's about seeing new possibilities in what you already own. So we've talked about personal uniforms, decision fatigue, confidence, outfit formulas. But here's what I think is the most interesting part. Repeating outfits doesn't make you less stylish. I actually think it can make you more stylish. The most stylish women are often the most consistent. When you think about women with great style, they usually have something recognizable about them. Maybe it's always wearing linen, always wearing blazers, always wearing monochrome outfits, always wearing gold jewelry. There's a consistency. And because of that consistency, their style becomes memorable. People start associating them with a certain look, not because they're constantly changing, because they're constantly refining. Personal style isn't built through variety. It's built through repetition. Why luxury looks so effortless? One thing I've noticed is that truly elegant wardrobes are usually much simpler than people imagine. Social media often shows us huge hauls, overflowing closets, endless shopping. But when you look at women who always seem put together, their wardrobes often revolve around the same trusted pieces. A great blazer, a beautiful handbag, well-fitting trousers, a favorite dress, a few pieces of jewelry, not hundreds of random items, just good pieces worn repeatedly. And I think that's why luxury feels calm, because it's edited. There's no chaos, no confusion, no constant chasing. Luxury isn't having endless options, it's knowing which options deserve to stay. I think one of the biggest style mistakes people make is believing boredom means they need something new. Because every wardrobe eventually feels familiar. That's normal. The problem is that many people interpret familiarity as, I need to go shopping, when sometimes what they actually need is inspiration. A new combination, a new accessory, a new way of styling something they already own. Because if you constantly buy new clothes every time your wardrobe feels familiar, you never give your personal style time to develop. You're always starting over. I think the women with the best style have figured something out. They understand that style is not about impressing people with how much they own. It's about becoming known for what they love. The same handbag, the same jacket, the same outfit formula, again, and again. Not because they lack creativity, because they found something that feels like them. The goal isn't to wear something different every day. The goal is to look like yourself every day. One thing I love about seeing outfits organized visually is realizing how many combinations already exist inside a wardrobe. Because when clothes are hanging separately in a closet, it's easy to think, I have nothing to wear. But when outfits are actually put together visually, you start seeing possibilities. You start seeing how one pair of trousers can create 10 different outfits, how one blazer can work across multiple looks. And suddenly, repeating outfits doesn't feel limiting. It feels smart. Maybe the most stylish woman in the room isn't the one wearing something new. Maybe it's the woman who knows exactly what works for her. The woman who isn't chasing every trend. The woman who isn't trying to become someone else. The woman who has built a wardrobe around her real life. Because style isn't about constant reinvention. It's about recognition. Recognizing what works, recognizing what you love, and recognizing yourself. So now I'm curious, do you repeat outfits or do you feel pressure to always wear something different? Let me know in the comments because I think social media has made this conversation really interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.